Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to create stunning interiors without breaking the bank. Yes, we're talking about budget-friendly interior design software that makes designing accessible and fun. When it comes to interior design, we've all been there, stuck with the same old expensive software options that seem to drain our wallets and limit our creativity. But what if I told you there are other options out there, lesser-known gems that can help you save money without sacrificing quality? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because we're about to dive into it. Let's face it, interior design is as much about smart planning as it is about creativity. And the right software can make the entire process so much easier. But the real challenge? Finding a tool that offers high-quality features without those hefty price tags. That's where Foyr Neo comes into play, a game changer for anyone wanting to design on a budget. Neo addresses the challenges most designers face: creating detailed floor plans, sourcing 3D models, managing budgets, and presenting polished visuals often feels like juggling a dozen tools at once. With Neo, you have everything you need in one user-friendly platform, designed to save you time, money, and effort. Let's talk about what makes Foyr Neo a standout. Imagine starting your design process with floor plans you can create in minutes. Whether it's a cozy home or a sprawling office, Neo allows you to draft both 2D and 3D layouts effortlessly in your preferred measurement units. This precision helps you kick off your project with confidence. Now picture bringing your ideas to life with access to over 60,000 3D models. Need a mid-century modern chair or a rustic coffee table? It's all there. And if you're after something unique, Neo lets you build your own models. This vast library ensures that your designs reflect your creativity with no compromises. The beauty of Neo is that you're not stuck imagining how everything will look together. You can design and edit directly in 3D, allowing for real-time adjustments with pinpoint accuracy. Whether it's shifting furniture or tweaking lighting, this feature ensures that your vision aligns perfectly with reality. But what really sets Neo apart is how it turns your designs into stunning 12K renders in minutes. Gone are the days of waiting hours for a polished visual. These high-resolution renders and walkthrough make it easy to present your ideas to clients or simply see your designs come to life. Mood boards are another game changer with Neo. They allow you to plan and map out your design ideas seamlessly, helping you align with your vision or collaborate with clients more effectively. Faster approvals and clearer communication have never been easier. And when it comes to inspiration, Neo ensures you're never short of ideas. With over 1,500 high-quality interior design templates, you can kickstart your projects effortlessly. These templates are crafted for various styles and spaces, whether you're aiming for a modern aesthetic or something timeless. They serve as a perfect starting point to help you refine your vision while saving valuable time. And for those who love branded decor, Neo's branded catalog integration allows you to drag and drop trusted products directly into your design, giving it that extra layer of authenticity. The best part? All these incredible features come together in an affordable package that doesn't compromise on quality. Foyr Neo is proof that professional results don't have to come at a premium price. So, if you're ready to transform the way you design, try Foyr Neo today. Click the link in the description to start your 14-day free trial and experience a smarter, more budget-friendly approach to interior design. Let us know in the comments how Foyr Neo could make a difference in your projects. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.